Here we've come to a fence, and it's clearly posted that it's private property, and the landowner obviously doesn't want people to go on there and trespass. But what really constitutes trespassing? Now, I'm not an attorney, so you have to bear some of the responsibility if you follow the advice given in this video here. I don't take any responsibility if you get into trouble or if you get shot or you get arrested. But we will go over the law, and you can read it for yourself. In looking for interesting places to explore on maps or out in the field, you may find a place you want to go, but it is either on private land or the access to it is across private land. Of course, the best thing to do is figure out who the landowner is and ask for permission, and also get the permission in writing. If you can't figure out who the land belongs to, you may have thought about going anyhow, but have wondered about what the consequences are for trespassing. Well, that's what this video is about. It is a short summary of the California trespass laws and how to keep any charge of trespass to a mere infraction of the law and not a misdemeanor or a felony. In the simplest terms, to keep the offense just an infraction, the key is to not harm anything on the property or engage in any behavior that is specifically prohibited by the law. Some examples of harm would include the following: damage to property, such as damage to trees, signs, fences, gates and locks, structures, etc. And also, don't take anything from the property, such as wood, plants, rocks, fish, crops, livestock, etc. Now, some examples of prohibited behaviors include driving a vehicle on the property, building fires, shooting, hunting, fishing, occupying structures, leaving gates open, interfering with or obstructing any business conducted on the property, and refusing or failing to leave immediately upon being requested to do so by the owner. So, to summarize, if you are just hiking, bird watching, taking photos, or some other similar harmless behavior that is not specifically prohibited, then you would only be guilty of a trespass infraction under Section 602.8. The maximum penalty for this infraction is only $75 for the first offense, and you can usually mail this in like a parking ticket. One more point. To be guilty of any trespass, you must know that you are on someone else's property. If you don't cross a fence line, enter cultivated land, or see a no trespassing sign, then your defense is simply that you didn't know you're on someone else's land. Come on, Cody.